Gonna rain like a bastard tonight. Wash all the shit away.
No, I'll sprinkle at most.
About time.
늦은 밤 여러 명의 매춘부들을 살해한 용의자를 몰래 뒤쫓고 있는 형사 제리와 보시. 현재 보시는 독단적으로 용의자를 쫓고 있었기에 모든 것이 조심스러운데요.
Cat shaking and baking, man. Think he might have made me.
He's headed for the metro if I hustle, I can get up on him.
Should I sit on his car in case he circles back?
If he doesn't, we gotta take him tonight.
Back up?
See how it plays out.
Right behind you.
제리에겐 백업을 맡긴 채 보시는 용의자를 쫓아 열차에 탑승합니다. 잠시 후 열차에서 내린 용의자를 계속해서 따라가는 보시. 이날 보시는 이곳에서 잊지 못할 사건을 경험하죠.
Carnal, no te me escondes. Salga. Despacio, despacio. Rodilla. Arrodíllate ahora. Freeze.
남자의 수상한 행동에 그만 방아쇠를 당기고만 보시. 결국 이 사건으로 인해 보시는 재판을 받게 됩니다.
This morning testimony in the civil trial of LAPD detective Harry Bosch resumes. The stakes are high as the plaintiff seeks unspecified damages for the alleged wrongful death of Roberto Flores.
Chief, Captain, Bosch. Asshole.
Excuse me?
You here to see me screw up too?
그리고 이번 사건으로 보시는 경찰 간부들에게 단단히 찍히고 말죠.
Ms. Chandler, your next witness?
Your Honor, I call Detective Harry Bosch.
잠시 후 보시는 재판장에 올라섭니다.
Detective, how many people have you killed?
I don't know.
You don't know how many people you've killed?
I was in the military, first Gulf War, re-upped after 9/11. I did a tour in Afghanistan.
Infantry.
Special Forces.
Special Forces. So, one might say you're an experienced, highly trained killer with a body count too large to remember.
Your Honor. Objection.
Ms. Chandler, please save the ad hominem character attacks for closing arguments where they belong.
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize. What about as a police officer? How many people have you killed in the line of duty?
5.
그렇게 첫 재판은 보시에게 불리하게 흘러가며 끝나고 말죠. 보시는 사색에 잠기며 그날 밤 남자를 쏜 것이 과연 정의로운 것이었을까란 의문에 빠집니다.
Car is registered to Erlinda Foster, Studio City. Assuming it's hers.
다음 날 고민할 틈도 없이 살인 사건 현장에 출동한 보시. 보시는 현장을 살펴보며 순식간에 결정적인 증거를 찾아냅니다.
Suicide. Oh.
그렇게 잠시 한숨을 돌리던 보시에게 전화가 걸려오는데요.
Bosch.
Hey, Harry, how's it going up there?
About to clear?
Yeah, well, that time of year, right?
Yeah, what's up?
Listen, I got a citizen up in the hills. His dog went for a romp in the woods. He came back with a bone. The guy says it's human, Harry.
Yeah, well, it always is. Until it isn't.
You're right. 99 times out of 100. What is a coyote, deer, cow, whatever? But this guy, he's a doctor, Harry.
의사가 의문의 뼈를 보고 신고했다는 말에 보시는 의사를 만나기 위해 움직입니다.
Edge.
Boss, this is Dr. Gio. He found the bone.
잠시 후 의사를 만난 보시는 뼈에 대한 충격적인 얘기를 듣는데요.
This is a child's bone, detective. No doubt about it.
Child's bone?
Yes.
You guys can clear. I can take it from here. Keep it off the air.
Roger that.
So what can you tell me about it?
See the striation?
Mm-hmm.
That's a break line, detective. A spiral fracture, usually from severe twisting of the limb. Rarely accidental.
아이는 사망 직전까지 심한 학대를 당한 것으로 보였죠.
Look, I can't climb that hill and hold the dog, so just unleash her and I'll do my best to keep up.
Fat chance. Go get the bone, girl. Go.
그렇게 개를 쫓으며 보시는 뼈가 발견된 산으로 향합니다. 그때 개의 행동을 본 보시는 땅을 살펴보기로 하는데요. 다음 날 감식반을 통해 사망한 아이의 뼈가 발견됩니다.
Still 8 fracture on the occipital.
Blunt force trauma.
That's the most likely explanation. Cranium shows clear evidence of fracture lines and surgical healing.
Hospital records.
Another indicator we're dealing with relatively contemporary bones.
일단 뼈의 분석을 맡기고 내려온 보시는 누군가의 대화를 듣는데요.
Find more than one body up there?
Nah, I don't know.
Well, hang on.
Still looking. Yeah, still got crews up there.
How much longer are you guys going to be up there for? Do you know?
Hey! What? I've seen you before. What are you doing here?
You know this guy?
He's been in court all week.
Nate Tyler, Times.
A reporter. Motherfucker.
I'm on public property reporting on a criminal investigation.
You can't write about this. It's too soon. You'll fuck it up.
You're covering the trial. Now you're up here poking around. You're covering me.
기자 네이트에게 사건 내용이 유출될까 이들은 서둘러 네이트를 내쫓습니다.
Fuck him.
그리고 다음 날 보시의 재판이 다시 열립니다.
We resume today where we left off Friday. Miss Chandler's direct examination of Detective Bosch.
다시 재판장에 들어선 보시는 챈들러의 예리한 질문 공세를 받는데요.
Was Mr. Flores ever arrested for these murders?
No.
And why is that?
He died before he could be taken into custody.
You killed him,
He drew a gun on me.
so you say.
His weapon was found at the scene.
Was his DNA found on that weapon?
No.
Was there a pattern to these victims?
They were all young. It was our supposition they were illegals working as prostitutes.
Undocumented immigrants.
That was our assumption.
Prostitutes. Detective, what did your mother do for a living?
She was a prostitute.
Your mother was a prostitute.
Yes.
Is your mother still living?
No.
What happened to you after her murder?
Youth halls, foster homes.
So the killer was never caught, never punished?
No.
Detective, when you shot and killed Mr. Flores, weren't you in effect avenging your mother's death?
Objection.
You got a lot of fucking nerve.
Another outburst like that and I'll hold you in contempt.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Won't happen again.
그렇게 두 번째 재판에서도 보시는 챈들러에게 말리며 불리하게 재판을 마치죠.
How'd it go?
Chandler ambushed me. Somebody slipped her my file.
Jesus. Gallagher's ready for us.
If you're up for it.
After this bullshit, the morgue will be a breath of fresh air.
잠시 후 보시는 산속에서 찾은 아이의 뼈 분석 결과를 듣습니다.
Young male Caucasoid. Comparison to Maresh growth standard indices puts his age at approximately 10 years old, but this child was a victim of severe and prolonged physical abuse. I counted 44 distinct locations indicating separate trauma in various stages of healing.
Jesus Christ. 44.
And that's just the bones. Without a doubt, somebody kicked the shit out of this kid on a daily basis.
학대라는 말을 듣자 보시는 자신의 어렸을 적 어두운 과거를 떠올립니다. 그렇게 보시의 과거가 드러난 사이 화면은 어떤 남자를 비추는데요. 남자는 다른 번호판을 달고 운전하다가 그만 경찰에게 딱 걸리고 맙니다.
Driver, step out of the vehicle now!
What'd I do?
Turn around! Hands up!
If you just check the registration and my ID, you'll see.
Oh, shit! Hey! Stay on him! We got a body back here!
결국 웨이치라는 남자는 그대로 붙잡혀 취조실로 향하죠.
Let's start off with an easy one. Who's the dead guy in the van?
I don't know. I never saw him before.
You mean before you killed him?
I didn't kill him. Somebody must have put him there.
하지만 웨이치의 변명은 경찰들에게 먹힐 리가 없었고 그대로 수감됩니다. 다음 날 산속에서 발견된 시신의 이름이 아서라는 것과 아이의 유품에 대한 정보를 듣는 보시.
San Diego Aquarium.
Now, the brand name on 2 of the shirts is Solid Surf, and the backpack's got skateboard straps, so maybe the kid was into that.
이들은 아서가 발견된 산속 근처에서 과거 아동 성추행 기록이 있었던 남자가 있다는 정보를 듣고 두 사람은 일단 그 남자에게로 향해 봅니다. 남자의 이름은 트렌트로 그는 자신의 과거를 부정하지 않고 수사에 협조하기로 하는데요.
Is it alright with you if I take some notes, Mr. Trent?
I guess so. Do you have a bathroom I might use, Mr. Trent?
Up the stairs and to the right.
Thank you.
Have you ever seen any unusual activity on the hillside?
화장실을 가는 척하며 보시는 주특기인 증거 수집에 나섭니다. 그러다 보시는 지하에서 아주 수상한 물건을 발견하죠. 게다가 상자 속엔 아서가 좋아했다는 스케이트보드가 있었습니다.
That's for my work, detective.
Stuff for boys, 9 to 12.
I'm a set decorator. For the movies. And you have no right to be down here going through my things. You don't have a search warrant.
You can see how it might look suspicious from someone with your history.
I suppose I should call my lawyer.
We need to get a warrant.
Breaking the case, detectives? Why not give me 15 words and forestall the speculation that might result from interviewing this guy's neighbors?
We're finishing a routine canvass of the neighborhood. The residents have been cooperative, but we have no leads or suspects whatsoever at this time. That's all I can tell you.
그렇게 보시가 기자를 내보내고 돌아가는 사이 웨이치는 자신의 변호사와 얘기를 나누고 있었는데요.
What we know. Look, my point is, if even one of those samples from the hood or the van is matched to another murder or a missing person, multiple victims makes you eligible for the death penalty.
So what do I do?
You sit tight. We enter a plea and see what's in discovery. Maybe.
What if I had something?
What do you mean?
Something to give the DA. Something I think he'd want.
잠시 후 웨이치의 말을 들은 검사는 고민하다 결국 취조실로 찾아옵니다.
Back and see what unsolves we can match it to, and we have the body from the van.
You need Mr. Waits to tell you where the other bodies are buried.
If I don't tell you, you'll never know.
I think we're good with what we've got.
There's another case. Just the bones.
What case is that?
Up in the canyon. The 12-year-old kid. I put him up there. I like the view so much. I put the others up there too.
한편 트렌트에게 영장을 청구할까 고민하던 보시는 전화를 한 통 받습니다.
Hold on. Harry. Guy says he's Nicholas Trent's lawyer. Refuses to talk to anyone but you.
This is Detective Bosch. How can I help you? Sir, we do not have your client in custody. No, sir, we do not. That's your prerogative. Trent's lawyer said he can't get a hold of him. Thought we had him in custody.
결국 트렌트의 집을 찾아가 보는 제리와 보시.
Mr. Trent, this is the police. Open the door.
대답이 없자 두 사람은 집 안으로 들어서고 이내 충격적인 광경을 목격합니다.
Harry.
어째선지 트렌트는 목숨을 끊었고 유서가 발견됩니다.
Left a note.
My client was an innocent man.
What's it say?
Swayze didn't do the kid. Killing himself because the police and press have destroyed his life and he can't go on.
My one regret is for my children. Who will take care of my children?
You know what that means, Mr. Martin? Who these children are?
하지만 트렌트가 말한 아이들은 변호사도 몰랐고 결국 두 사람은 일단 물러나기로 합니다.
Detective Bosch, want to make a statement?
Sorry. Yeah. Thanks to you and your story, Trent killed himself.
Are you saying that he wasn't a suspect? That he was innocent?
I'm saying that thanks to you and your irresponsible reporting, we may never know what happened to that little boy up on the hill.
Everything I wrote was true. I'm not responsible for what happened up there.
Sleep tight, pal.
Well, you led me to him. How's your conscience?
Come on, Bosch. It's not worth it.
잠시 한숨을 돌린 보시는 아서에 대한 단서를 찾을 수 있을까 생각하며 감식이 진행 중인 트렌트의 집으로 향합니다.
Hey guys.
Mitz.
So we're finished in the garage and the master bedroom, and they're just finishing in the office now.
Start upstairs.
잠시 후 트렌트의 책상을 조사하던 보시는 뜻밖의 물건을 발견하죠.
Jerry. That stuff in Trent's note about his children? Found them. Every month. $20 here, 15 there. For years.
Making up for what he did, killing that boy.
Seeking redemption.
He's a child molester.
Doesn't make him a killer.
They all start somewhere.
그렇게 일단 트렌트는 용의선상에서 제외한 채 두 사람은 아서의 누나로 추정되는 여성을 찾아가 봅니다.
Ms. Delacroix, I'm Detective Bosch. My partner, Detective Edgar.
Come in.
Thank you.
May 4th, 1994. God, it got to be about 9 o'clock and he hadn't come home. And then my father brought me home and he went to the police and reported him missing. Never heard anything back.
Do you have any pictures of Arthur?
Yeah, that one. He's about 12 there.
These boys, do you know their names?
Oh, sorry. It's been a long time.
This backpack was found at the burial site. This was found in the backpack.
She gave this to him. My God, it might really be him.
We don't know for sure yet. If we get his medical records, we can compare that to his remains.
아서의 신원 확인에 한 발짝 다가선 이들은 아서의 의료 기록을 구해 전문가를 찾아가죠.
Delacroix.
I need you to look at this.
The cranial surgeries. Pretty sure they're a match.
Sister said the injury came from a skateboarding accident.
No, not likely. There's a focused fracture pattern. Small area with surface-to-surface contact.
So this injury, the one that required surgery, is the same kind of one that killed him?
Yeah, exactly. Deliberate, not accidental. In both instances, this child was struck with some force with a blunt object.
다시 의문에 빠진 보시는 일단 당시 실종신고 기록을 뒤져보기로 하는데요.
Harry, I checked missing persons for May of '94.
Sheila Delacroix said he did.
Maybe he just told her he did.
What about Arthur's mother? Anything on her?
She legally separated from Samuel Delacroix in 1984. Filed for a divorce, mental and physical cruelty, remarried in '89. She is now Mrs. Christine Waters, Palm Springs.
그렇게 아서의 아버지가 폭행 기록이 있었던 걸 알아낸 보시는 다음 날 검사의 호출을 받습니다.
Detective Bosch, thank you for coming. Are you familiar with the name Raynard Waits?
Yeah, but you should be talking to Johnson and Moore. They're handling that investigation.
Oh, this involves you as well.
How so?
I hear you've tentatively identified the Laurel Canyon victim.
His name was Arthur Delacroix. He was 12 years old.
Waits confessed to killing him.
Confessed to my case.
Says it was his first.
With all due respect, this guy gets popped with a body in his van and by coincidence confesses to a 20-year-old murder. That's a big coincidence, and I'm not buying it.
He wants to make a deal. Claims he buried several other victims up in that canyon. Says he'll tell us where if we take the death penalty off the table.
Don't do this. Do not make this deal. Give him the needle and send him down the hole where he belongs.
Now, this is an opportunity to identify those victims and to give closure to those families.
Closure's a myth. Why am I here?
Interview Waits. See if he's telling the truth about killing this kid.
Right.
결국 보시와 웨이츠가 대면하게 됩니다.
Your full name, birth date, place of birth.
Raynard Waits, no middle name. Born November 3rd, 1971, in the city of Angeles.
You mean Los Angeles?
Los Angeles. You know, Detective Bosch, you and I met before, years ago.
I doubt that.
웨이츠는 보시와 만난 적이 있다며 여유로운 모습을 보이는데요.
Your attorney's proffer suggests first homicide you committed was Arthur Delacroix in May in '94.
Yeah, I didn't know his name at the time, but yes, he was my first.
Tell us about the day you killed Arthur Delacroix.
Well, I saw him on the street. I was driving down Hollywood Boulevard.
Why'd you pick Arthur Delacroix?
보시의 계속된 질문에 웨이츠는 당황하며 기억이 나지 않는다고 얼버무리고 결국 보시는 그가 아서를 죽이지 않았다고 결론을 내립니다.
You didn't kill Arthur Delacroix.
Yes, I did.
But you just don't remember how. I'm too old a cat to be fucked by a kitten. That's my number. You think of something that wasn't in the papers, you give me a call.
I do remember one thing. He had a starfish in his backpack. A plastic starfish.
이때 웨이츠는 범인이 아니라면 알 수 없는 결정적인 증거를 말해버리는데요.
He knew about the starfish.
That I can't figure.
You asked Waits for proof. He gave it to you. Smoking gun, man.
I don't buy it. You didn't kill that Delacroix child.
Okay. But what if he did?
과연 웨이츠는 아서를 죽인 진범이 맞을까요? 아서에 대한 정보를 더 알아내기 위해 이번엔 그의 엄마를 찾아간 두 사람.
You're here now. Let's get this over with, whatever this is.
It's about your son, Mrs. Waters.
Arthur, how do you know about...
He's dead. He was murdered.
Have you been in contact with him?
No.
His remains were recently found up on Laurel Canyon.
God. All these years, no contact with your family?
No. About a year after I left, I drove by the house one night to check on the children, hoping to get a glimpse of them, make sure they were okay. But the drapes were drawn and I didn't stop.
Why not?
I was afraid of what my ex-husband would do if he saw me. I thought that the children would be better off without me.
Better off? With an abusive alcoholic?
I'd like you to leave now. Both of you.
Mrs. Waters, you do want us to try and find your son's killer, don't you?
Of course.
이때 보시는 그녀가 선물했다던 아서의 유품을 꺼내죠.
Where did you find it?
It was recovered from the gravesite. Mrs. Waters, did you ever see your husband, your ex-husband, strike the children?
I was his punching bag, detective. Just me. Why, do you think Sam killed Arthur?
We don't know who killed your son.
Funeral arrangements. I mean, I suppose I should...
Well, you could contact the coroner. Or you could call your daughter.
Sheila.
She's still in the same house.
She is.
She stayed there, in case your son ever came home.
다음 날 보시는 꺼림칙하지만 웨이츠의 현장 검증이 있다는 말에 같이 동행하기로 하는데요.
You good to rock and roll?
Officer, take a hold of him, put him in the van. Where's your attorney?
I fired her. I'm representing myself.
Pull any shit, I'll flip your off switch. You got it?
그렇게 웨이츠와 보시에 보이지 않는 두뇌 싸움이 시작되려 합니다.
I had to see the bridge. Under the bridge, that's where he died.
일단 경찰은 웨이츠가 말한 장소로 향하는데요.
We're going in there, Waits. Remember what we talked about before?
I know. You put me in the trunk, and I'll never see the light of day again.
현장 검증이 시작되고 취재팀과 같이 경찰들은 웨이츠를 따라갑니다.
We're almost there. I can't wait to show you.
그런데 이때
Stand him up. Get up. Up.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
Bear, I'll go get that first aid kit out of the van.
Yeah, sure. Maybe we should loosen his shackles. We don't need a lawsuit here.
No fucking way.
Boss,
Kidding me?
just do it. We need to get down steps to the basement. We've got security covered.
This is a bad idea.
You're overruled.
Now loosen his hands. If he trips again, he needs to be able to break his fall.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Just do it, detective.
결국 지서장의 말에 경찰들이 수갑을 풀어주던 그때
Let me go! Officer needs help. Shots fired. Officer down.
그렇게 웨이츠는 순식간에 도망치고 유일하게 보시만이 그를 뒤쫓기 시작합니다. 어둠 속에서 사방을 경계하며 쫓아가던 보시는 결국 웨이츠를 놓치고 말죠.
Okay, listen up. I want every call, no matter how trivial, charted on the map. Head on a swivel. Let's find this asshole.
한편 도망친 웨이츠는 자신의 위탁모였던 여성을 찾아갑니다.
Oh. You left the door unlocked.
David, you're home.
Ma, the back door. You left it unlocked. It's not safe. You know, Mom, I thought I'd come stay with you for the holidays, if that's okay.
Of course it's okay. You are more than welcome. Stay as long as you like.
Thank you.
그 시각 보시는 일방적 통보를 받죠.
Chief?
How's Detective Moore?
Not out of the woods yet.
District Attorney held his press conference last night.
I heard.
He dwelt at length on the fact that we let Waits get away. In an hour, I'll be announcing a fugitive task force to apprehend Waits. Captain Pounds will be in command.
Pounds? Thought the idea was to apprehend Waits.
You're to have no part of that task force, Detective, or that investigation. Is that understood?
You're throwing me to the wolves, Chief. Detective in charge of the field trip is left off the task force? What's that say?
I know too well your propensity for operating ad hoc, Bosch. Not this time.
결국 보시는 웨이츠에 대한 수사에서 제외되고 맙니다. 잠시 후 보시를 찾은 뜻밖의 손님.
Mrs. Waters?
Detective, I know you're busy.
I wish you'd call. I'm on my way out.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to ask a quick question in person, not over the phone.
That's fine. Sit down. What can I do for you?
Man, this Waits person, did he kill my son? Did he kill Arthur?
We don't know yet. We're still investigating.
What's your personal opinion?
Your son was abused for years. His injuries were chronic and severe. So it's logical to suspect that his death is connected to that abuse and not some random encounter with a stranger.
You suspect Arthur's father?
As I said, we're still investigating.
But this Waits person confessed.
But we're not entirely convinced he was telling the truth.
I had this daydream that my children were okay, that I'd see them again someday, and that they'd forgive me.
Must have been very difficult to know what to do.
Oh, I knew what I was doing. I saved myself at their expense.
Not too late to go visit your daughter while you're still here.
I'm afraid it is.
그렇게 아서의 엄마와 얘기를 마친 보시는 다시 아서에 대한 수사를 이어가기 위해 이번엔 아서의 아빠 세미얼을 찾아가 보는데요.
About Arthur, Mr. Delacroix. We were hoping you might be able to give us some background on your boy. Maybe some names. We're trying to track down some of his friends from back then.
Need to talk to anybody who might know where he went day he disappeared.
A long time ago.
The picture.
Where'd you get this?
Your daughter.
What'd she say about me?
We mostly talked about Arthur. Could you look at the photo?
세미얼은 아서의 사진에서 다른 아이들의 이름은 기억하지 못하고 아서의 단짝이었던 한 명의 아이는 기억해냅니다.
The guy in the middle. Stokes.
You remember any last names?
Well, that was his last name. Stokes. Johnny. Jimmy. Something like that.
There's no record of any missing persons report.
What are you talking about? Of course I reported it.
To who? Not LAPD. Your daughter says you told her you reported Arthur missing.
You lied to her.
What really happened, Mr. Delacroix?
어째서 신고를 하지 않았냐는 질문에 당황하던 그는 끝내 자백을 하고 마는데요.
What did I do?
What did you do, Mr. Delacroix?
I killed my boy.
결국 그의 자백을 들은 두 사람은 자세한 얘기를 듣기 위해 경찰서로 향합니다.
Mr. Delacroix, when we came to your house, you told us that you had killed your son. Now you've been read your rights and waived them. So we'd like for you to tell us exactly what happened that day to the best of your recollection.
그런데 아들 아서를 죽였다고 말한 그는 어째선지 아서가 어떻게 죽었는지는 정확히 말하지 못하는데요.
I can't remember. Like I said, I was soused. I took him up into the canyon.
Which one?
You know, the one you said.
Coldwater, Laurel, Beechwood?
I don't know. It was one of those.
City side or valley side?
Somewhere up there. I carried my boy up the hill.
And you carried him up the hill by yourself, Mr. Delacroix? No one helped?
Just me.
어딘가 찝찝한 구석이 있었지만 일단 보시는 이 사실을 그의 딸에게 전해줍니다.
I don't believe it.
Ms. Delacroix, your father described the events in detail.
I'm sorry, but my father is not a violent man, detective. He never hit me. Or Arthur. Never.
엄마 말곤 자식들을 한 번도 때린 적이 없었다는 그녀의 말에 결국 보시는 제리에게 아서와 비슷한 무게를 지고 혼자 산을 올라가 보라고 지시합니다.
Fuck!
Bosh. You said I told you so. I'll drop you right where you stand next time I see you. Swear to God.
I never say that. Ever. I was right about Delacroix?
No way that old drunk drags that kid's body up that fucking hill. No way.
Told you so.
You're a dead man, Bosh.
Thanks, Jerry.
See you at the house.
Yep.
결국 세미얼이 거짓말을 했다 판단한 보시는 그의 집으로 가다 수상한 인기척을 느끼는데요.
LAPD, let me see your hands. Jesus Christ, Sheila. What the hell are you doing here?
I came to get the cat. I was just looking around. You scared the hell out of me.
You can't be in here. It's an ongoing investigation.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. What about Buddy?
You can take him.
이때 보시는 직감적으로 그녀가 그냥 온 것은 아니다 판단해 그녀가 서 있던 주변을 조사해 봅니다. 그러다 보시는 서랍에서 충격적인 사진들을 발견하고 말죠. 그건 바로 세미얼과 딸이 함께 잠자리를 하는 모습이었습니다. 한편 자신을 향해 좁혀오는 수사망에 초조해진 웨이츠는 팔에 적힌 전화번호로 보시에게 연락을 해보는데요.
Bosh.
I want to know what my options are.
Why ask me?
Because you and I have so much in common.
You got two options, asshole. You can wait till we catch you. Sit and rot in a 6x10 isolation cell for the next 20 years till they put a needle in your arm.
No. I don't think I care for that.
Or you can take that gun you snatched off my colleague, put it in your mouth. I'd choose that if I were you.
Right. But you're not.
There's a third option.
I'm listening.
When we do find you, you can reach for a weapon. We'll tell you to put your hands up. You hesitate for a split second, we'll tell you to freeze. You so much as breathe wrong,
and you kill me.
We'll kill you. Option 3. We put you down for good.
그렇게 웨이츠와의 통화를 마친 보시는 곧바로 세미얼에게 향합니다. 이제 그의 더러운 거짓말이 드러날 시간입니다.
What?
You said you carried your son's body up the canyon, buried it.
That's what happened.
My partner carried a dummy, same size as your son, up the same hill, broad daylight. Had a hell of a time. And he was sober. You didn't kill Arthur. You're responsible for his death. But somebody else killed him.
잠시 후 사진을 꺼내들며 보시는 추리를 이어갑니다.
Things don't go his way, he starts drinking. Beating on her. Eventually she can't take it anymore. She runs off. Leaves him with 2 children. Guy soaked with booze, self-pity. Turns to his daughter for comfort. She's 11, 12 years old. Starts molesting her. Well, let's call it what it is. It's rape. Girl's miserable. Blames it on her little brother and beats the shit out of him every day. Even sends him to the hospital with a cracked skull. One day that little boy goes missing. And now Daddy's afraid she's finally gone too far. Why you never filed a missing persons report. The one you'd been raping since her mother left.
Yeah, that's right. I'm responsible for every bad thing that happened to my family.
I won't let you soothe your conscience by copping to a crime you didn't commit.
Did she do it?
그렇게 불편한 진실을 알아낸 보시는 곧바로 세미올의 딸인 실라를 찾아가는데요.
Your father's no longer being charged with your brother's murder.
I don't understand. I thought he confessed.
He deconfessed.
He didn't kill Arthur.
Your father thought you killed Arthur. He was going to take the weight because of what he did to you.
What he did to me? I told you my father never laid a hand on me.
Anything else you didn't tell us?
숨기고 싶었던 진실이 드러나자 신라는 입을 엽니다.
I blamed him for everything. Mother leaving, what my father did to me.
Reason you beat him?
I hated myself for doing it, but I couldn't stop. When I came home that afternoon, Arthur was in his room packing. It was a relief. I wanted him to go. If I had stopped him from going that day, he'd still be alive. What are you going to do with those?
They're evidence.
What happens to him?
If you'll testify, DA will file charges. We'll arrest him.
I don't think I can do that.
Do it. It's not too late.
Ms. Delacroix, put him away.
아서 가족의 진실이 드러났지만 정작 아서를 죽인 범인은 이들 중 없었는데요. 그러다 보시는 웨이치가 또 살인을 했다는 소식을 듣습니다.
Jesus. Oh, fuck me. That's Crate's gun. Motherfucker.
Christmas lights, mothballs, sump pump. The fuck kind of list is that?
잠시 후 몰래 사건 현장으로 가보는 보시.
How many times do you have to be told?
Just leaving.
You're not part of this investigation, Bosch. Where the fuck you going? Tell me what he said.
Not part of this investigation. I'll give my report to the lieutenant.
그렇게 현장에서 쫓겨난 보시는 잠시 후 아서의 사진 속의 친구들 중 하나였던 스톡스가 현재 수감 중이라는 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
No felony convictions, currently on probation for a shoplift.
34. Puts him 2 years older than Arthur. Could be our guy.
I'll swing by and talk to his probation officer tomorrow.
How about now?
He's off for the day, Harry. Wish Eleanor and Maddie a Merry Christmas for me.
Will do. Call me after you talk to Stokes PO, yeah?
연락을 기다리며 보시는 잠시나마 크리스마스 이브를 가족과 보내려 하죠.
Mom left a note you'd be coming.
Hey, Maddie. I can't believe it.
Why do old people always say that?
This is for you. Merry Christmas.
Thanks. Well, put it under the tree.
오랜만에 딸 메디와 만난 보시는 겸사겸사 전직 프로파일러였던 아내도 만나 조언을 받으려는데요.
Been watching the news from LA, this serial killer, Raynard Waits.
Yeah?
We checked it out. No trace of this guy prior to 94. We still don't know yet who the hell he really is.
Is this why you came? To pick my brain about Waits?
I came to see Maddie and you.
Bullshit.
Just thought since I was already here.
I bet you wrote the murder books, didn't you?
I made copies of relevant pages.
Copies? Is it even your case? You're off the reservation, aren't you?
Waits keeps contacting me. Got me involved. I put together a travel book. It's in the car.
어이가 없었지만 결국 아내는 보시의 수사에 협력합니다.
Look at the Waits stuff.
You knew I would.
And?
That's typical of psychopaths.
그녀는 웨이츠가 전형적인 사이코패스라며 그가 산 물품들은 지하실과 관련이 있다고 말하죠.
Well, murderers who exhibit this kind of behavior usually were sexually abused as children. So my guess is he was raped as a boy, and what started out as revenge has become a compulsion. He likes the risk, the adrenaline rush, the dare. He wants attention, especially yours.
잠시 후 오랜만에 가족과 식사를 하던 보시에게 제리의 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Hey, Harry.
Jerry, talk to Stokes PO.
Yeah. He's working at a car wash on Pico.
Okay, I'm on my way.
스톡스가 있는 곳이 확인됐다는 소식에 떠나려는 보시.
Something's come up, case I'm working. I've got to go back to L.A.
That's a bit of bad luck. What a shame.
You're leaving?
I'm sorry.
Harry. I got you a present, too. I didn't have time to wrap it. You need a new phone.
Is that a smartphone?
Smarter than the one you got.
I hope it's not smarter than me. It's very thoughtful. Thanks.
Be careful.
Always.
얼마 후 보시는 스톡스가 일하는 세차장을 찾고 그에게서 아서에 대한 정보를 물어보려 하는데요.
Mac, it's Harry.
Hey, Harry, how's it going?
Edgar and I are at the car wash. You got a unit can back us up on a witness scoop, Casey Rabbits?
Pico and Beverly Glen? Yeah. I'll call West LA.
New cell phone?
Present from my ex.
Nice. Didn't know they still made flip phones.
Just for guys like me. We brace Stokes up front. You guys cover the back just in case.
그렇게 백업을 부탁한 채 두 사람은 스톡스에게 다가가지만
Yo, Favo! Favo!
John Stokes, LAPD. Want to ask a few questions?
Shit! Damn it! Stop, asshole! Stop!
Did you hear what I said? I told you I just want to ask you some questions.
About what? You okay, brother? I'm good. Go.
어째선지 도망치는 스톡스를 보며 두 사람은 그가 아서 사건과 관련 있다 생각합니다.
He took an alleyway. Jerry, he went into one of these apartment complexes. The other side of the car wash.
뒤늦게 돌아온 보시는 조심스레 스톡스를 따라가는데요. 바로 그때
Stop right there. Don't move. Turn around. Turn around. Hand against the wall.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't you fucking move!
그렇게 다른 동료들과 협력해 보시는 일단 스톡스를 체포하는 데 성공합니다.
Nobody talks to him. Nobody comes in.
Roger that.
Oh, shit. The fuck, man?
Why'd you run?
Because everyone else did. It's like a reaction. 5-0, 5-0. That's what you do. You run.
We just wanted to talk to you.
You did?
Tell me about Arthur Delacroix.
Who?
Part of your skateboard posse back in the day? That's you. That's your crew, right?
Which one's your boy?
Let me ask the questions. This picture, where was it taken?
Fuck, man. I don't remember.
You and your boys ever skate up in Laurel Canyon?
아서의 살인범으로 스톡스가 의심됐지만 기억이 안 난다는 그의 말에 일단 보시는 물러설 수밖에 없었죠. 한편 웨이치의 위탁모는 건강 상태가 좋지 않았는데요.
Oh, David!
Ma? Oh, Ma, what'd you do?
David.
What did you do? Are you okay?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to go to the bathroom.
It's okay. You hurt?
What would I do without you?
Okay.
Oh, no, David? David!
What, Ma?
David!
What? What is it?
I'm out of my fucking prednisone.
Ma!
Well, I'm sorry, but I am.
What do you want me to do?
Would you be a dear and go get it refilled for me, please? Please. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît.
Yeah. Sure.
Vite!
Okay. Vite.
결국 웨이치는 위탁모를 요양원에 보내기 위해 전화를 해봅니다.
That's great. How much does all this cost?
Depends on the plan. What add-ons you select.
하지만 당장 웨이치에겐 그녀를 요양원에 보낼 돈도 여유도 없었죠.
Mr. Martinez, are you there?
그리고 다가온 크리스마스 이브의 밤. 선물을 놓던 웨이츠는 이제 자신에겐 시간이 별로 없다는 걸 깨닫습니다.
Bosch,
Hey, me. Where are you?
on my way to the homicide detective's Christmas party.
Sure you are.
Merry Christmas, by the way.
That's right. So it is. I was wondering if you were ever going to call your daughter to wish her a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Harry.
Hey, Merry Christmas, honey. How are you?
Okay. When are you coming back?
As soon as I can. I'm so sorry. I know I promised. I'm just totally squeezed out with these cases.
그런데 이때 웨이치에게서 전화가 오고
Maddie, I gotta take this call. It's work. I'll call you back later, okay?
Okay.
Bosh.
I just want you to know I'm having a wonderful holiday with loved ones, and I hope you're having the same.
You know, Waits, tonight would be a good night. Turn yourself in. What do you say?
I'd say you're selling me a Christmas con job.
I'm trying to bring this thing to an end with you still alive.
Come on, I think we know how this ends. You and me, Harry. Dogs from the same kennel. I kill people. You kill people.
Doesn't have to come to that. We could meet. You pick the place. This is Detective Harry Bosch. Hollywood homicide. Need assistance pinging the cell?
잠시 후 전화 추적 결과가 나오는데요.
Bosch.
Detective, we traced that phone. Glendale Boulevard between Fletcher Drive and Waterloo Street, Silver Lake District.
Thanks.
황급히 웨이치에게로 향하는 보시. 하지만
Says he found it in the street, next to the curb.
Kick the kid. It's got nothing to do with this.
결국 웨이치를 놓친 보시는 아쉬운 마음에 현장 검증 때 비디오를 돌려봅니다.
We're going in there, Waits. Remember what we talked about before?
I know. Put me in the trunk, and I'll never see the light of day.
Jerry, what's that?
What?
On your computer.
The Waits video from the field trip van ride.
Play it back.
We're going in there, Waits. Remember what we talked about before?
I know. Put me in the trunk, and I'll never see the light of day again.
The trunk.
What trunk?
Shit, we need a warrant.
For a trunk? What's going on, Harry?
I missed it.
트렁크란 말에 꽂힌 보시는 곧바로 어느 보호소로 향합니다.
Trunk is a room where they punish kids. I think Waits might have been here too. That's the connection he's been talking about.
알고 보니 웨이치는 보시와 같은 보호소에서 자란 아이였던 것이었죠.
Thing we have in common. Clarence Uthall.
Waits' driver's license says he's 43.
So let's assume he's somewhere near that age, give or take a few years.
We want the name and file of every boy that went through here over a 20-year period.
We're only looking for one. Once we find it, you'll get it all back.
You have a truck?
Excuse me?
The 70s and 80s, all long before we went digital. We're talking hard copies, thousands of them, dozens and dozens of file boxes.
보호소를 둘러보며 잠시 생각에 잠기는 보시. 잠시 후 보시는 트렁크라 불렸던 보호소의 어두운 곳을 찾아갑니다.
We don't use that room anymore. Draconian practices are things of the past, Detective.
Well, you still got a mattress in there. Just in case.
I would appreciate it, Detective, if you would confine yourself to the area of the storage room.
Let me tell you something. I'm from here. This is where I grew up. If it was up to me, I'd burn this whole place to the ground.
냉정을 되찾고 웨이치의 기록을 찾는 보시.
Where's the box from 78?
Wilford, where's 78? Right here. What are you, Sherlock Holmes? We pulled 53 boxes out of there. You just reach in the one and find Waits' file?
Not his file.
그렇게 보시가 자신의 과거를 지우려는 사이 웨이치는 위탁모와 대화를 나누는데요.
Say, David, where are you? Where have you been?
I've been right here, just watching you sleep.
Did you go to the pharmacy?
Yeah, I went, but I didn't get the prednisone.
Well, why not? Were they out of it?
I hope I haven't been a disappointment to you in any way.
Of course not. What are you talking about?
I've always tried my best to take care of you. You know that, right?
Of course I do. You are the good son, le bon fils. Is there something wrong?
You're the only one who ever really cared about me. My whole life. I love you, Ma.
I love you too, son. Give me a kiss. Oh, no, David, I don't like being this low. Prop me back up.
There you are.
No.
결국 웨이츠는 자신의 손으로 위탁모를 살해하고 말죠. 다음 날 보시에게 웨이츠의 전화가 다시 걸려옵니다.
I didn't think it would be so hard. You've been through this, Harry.
What are we talking about, Waits? What do you want?
My mother died yesterday. And I see her lying there. I think about that moment. The longest trip we ever take.
Sorry for your loss.
She's gonna rot like a piece of fruit. And there's nothing I can do about it. This fucking situation that I find myself in.
Maybe I can help.
Oh, are you gonna bury her for me? No, thanks. That's a son's duty.
Why don't you put her with the others?
The others?
Your other victims. Can't she rest in peace with the others? Wherever you put them.
Do you not understand anything?
I loved her.
Bury her with them, those fucking whores.
Are you fucking kidding?
Sorry. Forget I mentioned it.
Oh. You're sorry.
그렇게 의미심장한 웨이츠의 말을 뒤로 한 채 보시는 아서의 유품에서 또 다른 단서가 나왔다는 소식을 듣습니다.
Jasper, what's so important you couldn't just send over a report?
I wanted to show you something. I was doing a final log on the Delacroix evidence. The backpack had skateboard straps, right?
There was no skateboard found at the gravesite.
But there was one collected from Nicholas Trent's house.
We dismissed Trent as a suspect.
이때 남자는 아서의 시신에서 발견되지 않았던 스케이트보드가 트렌트의 집에 있던 것이라는 증거를 찾아냅니다.
This kind of board was fancy back in the day. Most kids would have put their mark on it.
AD 1993.
Arthur Delacroix.
93, a year before he died. Nicholas Trent had the kid's board.
Good work, Jasper. We need photos of all this.
Will do. Detective Bosch?
Yeah.
I think I fucked up on the Waits case.
How so?
I got a call here in the lab, right after Waits was arrested. Guy said he was from the DA's office, sounded totally legit. He said you guys hadn't turned in an evidence report yet, and he needed to know what was found at the gravesite.
You told Waits about the backpack. What was inside? Told him about the starfish.
He had a starfish in his backpack. A plastic starfish.
바로 이것이 웨이츠가 아서에 대한 수사 기록을 알고 있었던 이유였습니다.
That was his get out of jail free card. You have any idea what you did?
I do. And I should have known better.
What did he want?
To confess.
Confess to what?
Waits got a hold of a burner and pitches. Called Jasper. Conned him out of the starfish.
Stupid fuck. You kicked his ass?
Didn't have to.
On the bright side, at least he solved the Lower Canyon case for us.
How you figure?
Clear as day. Trent had the board. He took it from Arthur after he killed him. He lived with it all those years, waiting for that knock on the door. One day it came, we knocked on his door, and he killed himself.
Then go ahead and write it up.
결국 트렌트가 아서를 죽인 것일까 고민하던 보시는 트렌트의 집을 다시 찾다 뼈를 처음 발견했던 의사와 만납니다.
Dr. Guillot.
Detective Bosch.
So Nicholas Trent told us that when he first moved here, there were always kids playing on the street, up on the hill.
Yes, quieter now. Not so many children on the street these days.
Remember any names, those kids?
20 years ago. I was not a young man even then. Have you spoken to the Blaylocks?
I don't recognize that name from the neighborhood campus we did.
My guess would be that most of the children who played on the street over the years were their foster children.
Any chance you have an address for the Blaylocks?
I get a Christmas card from them every year without fail. Let me get one. I'll be right back.
Thanks.
그렇게 아서의 친구들이 대부분 블레이록이 거둔 입양하였다는 것을 한 보시는 블레이록을 찾아가 보기로 하죠.
Mr. Blaylock?
That's me. I saw you waiting out there.
My name's Harry Bosch. I'm a detective, LAPD. I was wondering if I could speak to you and your wife about a case I'm working.
Get some coffee.
If it's warm, I'll take it.
Come on in.
잠시 후 따뜻한 커피와 함께 보시는 아서에 대해 얘기를 꺼냅니다.
What's this about?
I'm working a case in your old neighborhood, Wonderland. We're contacting people who lived there in '94.
Well, we lived there back then, but...
I understand you took in a number of foster children when you lived on Wonderland.
Yes, we did. We had a total of, what, 36?
38.
38 kids over the years. Sometimes as many as 6 at a time.
Good for you. Last month, the boy's bones were found up on the hill above Wonderland. He was murdered and buried there 20 years ago. His name was Arthur Delacroix. Does that name mean anything to either of you?
No. Audrey?
No, and I told that to the detective that called. I told him we didn't know anything about this dead boy.
I'd like you both to take a look at this photo. It was taken in your carport on Wonderland Avenue.
I think I took this picture. I gave copies to the kids.
Do you recognize anyone in that photo?
Well, that's Johnny, and these are his friends from his old neighborhood.
Johnny?
Johnny Stokes. He was with us for a couple of years. That's his photograph there on the wall.
사진 속 아이는 얼마 전 쫓던 스톡스였죠.
And you say these kids in the picture, they were friends of Johnny's from his old neighborhood?
We used to have an empty pool in the backyard. It was too much upkeep. They used to love to use it to skate in.
This boy, do you remember him?
Yeah, the face. I don't know his real name. They called him Goofy.
You know why?
He would put the wrong foot forward on the skateboard, and the kids called that goofy footing.
That boy was Arthur Delacroix.
The murdered boy. Oh, my. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Do you recognize this?
Huh. Audrey, doesn't that look like the board Johnny had?
He won it in a contest. He was very proud of that board. He got left behind when they sent him to Silmar.
Do you know what happened to it?
Then we moved out here. We sold all the kids' stuff we had to a neighbor who lived up the street.
Remember her name? The neighbor?
Nick Trent. He worked in movies, you know, props and stuff.
쉽게 말해 아서가 타던 비싼 스케이트보드를 어째선지 1년 뒤 스톡스가 타고 있었고 그 시점에 스톡스는 소년원으로 들어갔다고 하니 묘하게 아서의 사망 시기랑 겹칩니다.
It was Stokes. We had him. I let him go.
Where are you? What are you talking about?
Johnny Stokes was one of the Blaylocks' foster kids.
You're shitting me.
Stokes lived with the Blaylocks in '94. Arthur visited him up there. He knew him from the old neighborhood.
You're saying Stokes killed Arthur?
No doubt in my mind.
But why, Harry? What the fuck? They were just kids.
The skateboard. I think Arthur had it. Stokes wanted it.
Jesus Christ. How'd Trent come to have it?
The Blaylocks sold Trent their kid stuff when they moved.
Let me get communications to put out a broadcast.
This isn't gonna go over very well with rank and file.
No, it's on me. I'll handle it.
그렇게 아서 사건에 대한 진실이 서서히 드러나는 사이 웨이치에 대한 단서도 잡히기 시작하는데요.
Bosch.
Harry, Waits is on his cell in an alley on Hollywood.
Set up a perimeter 5 blocks in every direction. No one in or out. I want a bird in the air ASAP. I'm 5 minutes away.
웨이치가 있는 곳이 특정됐다는 말에 황급히 달려가는 보시였지만 뜻밖의 소식이 들려옵니다.
Approximately 30 years old, unconscious and not breathing.
Female.
무언가 불길한 느낌을 가진 채 보시는 현장으로 가보는데요.
What's going on?
187, Harry. A female.
Female? ID?
Monica Reynolds. One of the coppers ID'd her as a local pro.
그리고 보시의 불길한 느낌은 들어맞고 말죠.
What is it? What the fuck? You all right?
Just give me a second.
What is it? What's the problem?
This is all for my benefit.
What?
He did this to get at me. Take a look. This is what happened to my mother.
Jesus. Harry.
Waits killed this woman the same way my mother was murdered. Staged the same scene.
How do you know about all this?
Nate Tyler. Murder was in all the papers. Hooker killed in Hollywood.
그때 웨이치의 전화가 옵니다.
Did you get my message?
You think you're clever?
Bury her, detective. She was a whore, like your mother. Not like mine. Mine was a saint. Now that's something we don't have in common.
Enjoy it while you can, Waits. We're closing in. I know you're nearby. I can smell you.
You sound tired, Detective. I'll be in touch.
다음 날 사망한 여성으로 인해 경찰은 비난받는데요.
She worked the neighborhood, so we talked to the manager of the Hawaiian Sands Motel where the victim tricked. He didn't see Waits pick her up, neither did any of her friends.
And that minivan we're looking for. A security cam on a storage facility picked it up driving into the alley 7:42 p.m., exiting 6 minutes later.
Grab a plate?
Couldn't see it. But there's a warehouse across from a murder scene. They got a security camera in their parking lot. Keep your fingers crossed.
속이 타들어가는 보시에게 웨이츠가 또다시 전화를 걸어옵니다.
New Year's Eve tomorrow. Any plans?
Other than finding you? No.
I like your can-do attitude, Harry. Something else we share.
What are your plans?
Well, I do have plans.
Actually, more of a...
New Year's resolution.
Yeah?
You know, Harry, these phone calls...
They're just not the same as face-to-face. I like to look into a person's eyes.
Still, I'm gonna miss these conversations.
How's that?
It's time for me to go away.
I'm getting off now.
We also know about McLaren. Is that why you singled me out? Dogs from the same kennel?
When they put you in the trunk weights, how'd you do time? I did baseball stats.
You're just trying to keep me talking.
By the way, I know how you found out about the starfish.
Yeah, I was part of that one. I'm getting off the phone now.
We're closer than you think.
I'll be in tow, Harry.
그리고 다음 날 웨이츠는 대범하게 나타나 한 여성에게 말을 겁니다.
Excuse me, are these yours?
No.
Oh. Ah, they're Pasol's. I found them. Someone's gonna be looking for them. Wonder if there's a lost and found around here or something.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, what a beautiful baby. Hey, you. We have an 8-year-old.
Oh.
Yeah, they grow up fast. Be good to your kids.
Yeah, that's what everybody says.
그렇게 아이의 엄마는 사라지고 말았죠.
Hello?
그 시각 연말 행사를 보내고 있던 경찰들.
Hey, beautiful.
Hi.
Harry, this is Marissa.
Meet you. It's Grace.
Yeah.
그런데 이때 불행한 소식이 모두에게 전해집니다.
Behind me is the victim's car. Her 6-month-old baby, who was left alone in his stroller, appeared to be unharmed. He was taken to Children's Hospital for observation.
In addition, KCYD has learned that the suspect left a macabre note in the baby's carriage. Quoting now, Raynard Waits wishes you a happy new year. Miss Leighton's husband reported her missing in custody 2 weeks ago, sparking
Took
a
off as soon as this
citywide
came on.
manhunt and terrorizing citizens during this holiday season.
What's he doing? Why this woman?
It's about you, Harry.
The last murder imitated your mother's. This abduction, it's related.
How so?
The woman in the alley represents how society saw your mother, as a prostitute. This young woman represents how you saw your mother, as loving and pure.
He wants us to hurt.
The 4 other victims, he left their bodies so they could be found. This woman, no body. She could be alive still.
I think you're right.
I think it's all part of his endgame. I think he's using her as bait for you, Harry.
Thanks, Eleanor.
You'll be asleep when I get back. Sweet dreams, Harry.
어머니의 모습을 추억하며 보시는 각오를 다지죠.
Do you need this? I will help you.
Let me go.
I can't do that.
Why?
Why am I here?
I need you.
Please.
한편 끈질긴 수사 끝에 웨이츠의 위탁모 주소를 알아낸 이들은 황급히 출동하는데요.
Let's take a look around.
코를 찌르는 악취가 두 사람을 맞이하고 보시는 집을 나와 아래쪽으로 향해 봅니다.
Garage.
Clear.
Clear. Let's get back up here, task force. Tear this place apart. Shit, Rover's no good. I'm going back to the car.
Do it.
그런데 이때 보시는 작지만 물이 흐르는 소리를 듣는데요. 호스가 연결된 곳에 무언가 있다 직감한 보시. 그렇게 보시는 웨이츠의 비밀 공간으로 들어갑니다. 이곳엔 다른 피해자들의 유골이 있었죠.
David?
Please help me!
This is between you and me. Let her go. You said you like to look people in the eyes when you talk to them. Why don't you come out here and look into mine?
No, you come here.
긴장된 분위기 속에 결국 두 사람은 다시 마주하게 됩니다.
There you are.
Here I am. Let her go.
You know that's not gonna happen, Harry. Why even bring it up?
Please.
We're talking. So, how do you like it?
Your monument?
Took me 20 years. People should appreciate it.
Is that what you want, David? People to appreciate you?
Don't talk to me like that. Like a fucking shrink. Can't we have a real conversation? And for once.
Sure.
People need to know my story. I mean something. Do you understand? You know the expression, Harry? A prophet is without honor in his own country?
Yeah, I've heard it.
What were your foster parents like, Harry?
Had several. Wasn't close to any of them.
The Saxons were beautiful people. When they took me in, I thought I was done with McLaren. We had some good years. And then Pop got sick and died. And they sent me back. You know all about that, Harry. You know, Harry, I envied you at McLaren. You were strong. You could defend yourself. You didn't take shit from anybody. You didn't let anyone take advantage of you. They're coming. Good. Let's get this over with.
No! No! Please!
Hurting her isn't gonna change anything, David.
Why are you so fucking blind, Harry? I've tried so hard, so fucking hard to get through to you. Man, they made me. They made me what I am. Do you understand? You get it? I'm the monument. Me. Me. And you.
그렇게 보시는 웨이츠를 향해 방아쇠를 당기고 말았죠.
FID needs to talk to you.
Right.
Harry, you did good.
You start working the media. Make sure they know the lead that broke this case came out of the task force. Bosch might be the hero, but we broke this case. Got that?
Yes, sir.
하지만 원만히 해결될 줄 알았던 사건은 또 다른 문제점을 맞이합니다.
Good work, Detective.
What was that about?
Wade's gun. There were no rounds in the weapon.
Suicide by cop.
웨이츠의 메시지를 느낀 보시는 다시 자신이 한 일이 과연 정의로운 일이었는지 의문을 가집니다.
May Arthur be comforted in the cradle of heaven, and the abuses he suffered in this world be healed by his eternal life in the house of the Lord.
다음 날 아서의 장례식이 치러집니다.
Decided not to file on him? Let me know if you change your mind.
Please just leave me alone. Detective, thank you for coming. Why didn't you join us?
I didn't want to intrude on your family.
Family? I'd hardly call it that, would you? The man you shot, the serial killer, did he kill Arthur?
He was lying about it. We're looking for someone else. There's something I want to show you. These are abandoned and orphaned children Nicholas Trent was supporting through various charities.
The man who killed himself, the child molester?
He sent a little money every month. I don't know. Maybe he was looking for some redemption to atone for what he'd done so many years before.
I'll take care of them. Thank you, Detective.
잠시 후 아서에게 조의를 표하려던 보시.
What are you doing here?
I'm just paying my respects.
You get away from him. You want to show Arthur some respect? Find the fucker who killed him.
Just a matter of time, Mr. Delacroix. I'll leave you alone.
He never had a chance. Not with this family. Not after what I did to it. I'm asking you, will you bring him some justice?
한편 계속 보시를 괴롭히던 재판에 대한 결과가 나오는데요.
We, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the case of Rosa Flores versus Hieronymus Bosch in the city of Los Angeles, upon our oaths do find in favor of plaintiff Rosa Flores. We find full damages to be $1.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you for your service.
What did she say, $1?
Some bullshit. I was right as rain with that shooting.
Oh, come on, take yes for an answer, Harry. Will ya? The jury's made a statement.
Yeah, that I fucked up.
No, that you got a bad guy up the street. You just bent the rules a little too far.
한결 홀가분해진 마음으로 보시는 보호 감찰 중인 스톡스를 잡기 위해 기록들을 뒤지며 밤을 셉니다. 그리고 마침내 명분을 찾아내죠.
What's up?
I'm looking over Stokes' probation file. Twice in the past 10 years, he's had the same guy go to bat for him, guarantee him a job and place to crash. Joe Olivas. He runs a property management company, East Hollywood. It's been a few years. It might be worth a shot.
Why not? We got nothing else.
곧바로 제리는 올리바스가 운영하는 부동산으로 향합니다.
If this is about tickets to the police celebrity golf thing, Detective, you know I'm good for my usual.
This isn't about the golf thing. This is about one of your employees, Johnny Stokes. You went to bat for him a couple of times with county probation, remember?
We believe in second chances around here. There are a number of young men we sponsor. I could pull the file if you furnish me with a court order.
Cut the crap, Olivas. I know what you do here. Stokes is a sweeper. He puts people out on the streets so your bosses can gentrify the neighborhood. Tell me what building he's working in this ends here. Otherwise, I'm gonna make some calls, have city officials swarming every property you manage.
Okay, look. I had a building already emptied, but then the squatters started moving in. Stokes came in here looking for work, and I put him on it.
Give me the address.
결국 스톡스가 일하는 곳 위치를 알아낸 제리는 곧장 그곳으로 움직이는데요.
Jerry.
Harry, we've got eyes on Stokes. He's in one of Olivas' buildings.
그렇게 제리의 말을 듣고 보시도 황급히 이곳으로 달려오죠.
Where are they?
We were afraid he'd see us in Rabbit. They went in, and Edge was leading the charge.
There! Right there! Police! Let me see your hands! Stop! Suspect dead up ahead! He's down! He's down!
LAPD in the back.
6 Alpha 65, requesting an RA unit to our location.
Oh, shit, man. You really fucked me up. What have I done?
Shut up, asshole. You're under arrest for murder.
The fuck? This is harassment.
Sis, shut up. Bosh, I told you not to come in. We had this.
Why'd you fire?
He was headed for the fire escape, so I knocked him down with a beanbag round.
Nice work. We take him?
겨우 스톡스를 다시 잡는데 성공한 보시는 그에게 아서에 대한 것을 물어보지만 여전히 그는 모르쇠로 일관합니다.
I didn't kill him, okay? But I know what happened.
Because you were there.
Yeah, but not because I killed him. It was an accident. He fell out of a tree.
A tree?
Yeah, with a rope swing. We were up there and he lost his balance, and hit his head, man. Fell on something and killed him.
Why'd you bury him?
Being a foster kid, you know, I've been in trouble before, so... Because I knew that they'd blame me.
Kept his skateboard.
What else was I supposed to do, leave it there?
Arthur Delacroix didn't fall out of a tree. You bashed his brains in, Stokes. You murdered him. For a fucking skateboard.
I want a lawyer.
I bet you do.
스톡스의 당황하는 모습에 확신한 보시는 그를 기소하기로 하지만 뜻밖의 문제점에 부딪힙니다.
It was committed in 94, when your suspect was 14 years old. At that time, the law did not allow a 14-year-old to be charged as an adult.
Law's been changed.
You're right. They changed them in 2000, but that doesn't help us. We're governed here by what the laws were at the time the crime was committed.
So, what are our options?
We have none. Juvenile penalties end at age 25. Nothing I can do about it.
결국 법의 한계 때문에 스톡스는 풀려나고 마는데요.
Where are you going?
Just gonna have a word with him.
Harry, do not make a bad situation worse.
What, are you gonna drive your boyfriend home, Bosh?
Please step aside, Kevin.
Don't embarrass yourself. He beat you twice. I'm gonna put a revolving door in the squad room thanks to you.
Get out of my way.
Just one fuck up after another with you, isn't it? Regular catch and release program.
I'm tired of your bullshit, Pounce. You're in my grid square. Now get out of my face.
Why don't you do something about it? What, suddenly need to call for backup? That's a fucking first. Don't walk away.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Harry!
You're mine now, Bosh. You hear that? Your ass is mine. I got witnesses. You're done. Oh.
그렇게 보시는 이번 일로 정직을 당하게 됩니다.
So what are you gonna do now, Harry?
Go see my daughter. Put this place in my rear view.
그런데 다음 날 보시는 당황스러운 소식을 접하고 마는데요.
Miss me already?
Inside.
안쪽엔 싸늘한 시신이 된 스톡스가 있었죠.
Delacroix called it in himself. Reporter called him, told him Stokes was going to skate on Arthur's murder, told him about this place.
세미얼이 스톡스를 쏴버린 것인데요.
You think this absolves you of anything?
I did what you couldn't do.
Bosh! Bosh! Get out of here, Harry, now. You were suspended. The last thing I need is you getting caught up in this clusterfuck.
Going.
Good. Walk in.
Harry, leave this one alone. There's nothing we could have done about it.
Exactly Delacroix's point. We did nothing.
The rain will come along, wash all this shit away.
Right. All into the big gutter and out to sea.
Go easy, brother.
이렇게 다시 보시가 자신만의 정의를 쫓는 모습을 보여주며 드라마 보시 시즌 1은 막을 내립니다.